Assalamu alaikum. Saeed, how are you? Why are you looking worried?
Walaikum salam. I am worrying about the environment. The average temperature of the world, especially of Pakistan, increasing day by day. Although Pakistan is not much contributor of global warming, but in top 10 countries most affected by global warming.
Yes, you are right. The glaciers of Pakistan rapidly melting due to global warming and cause flood, which cause loss of properties and lives of people. Saeed, you have some awareness about environment, as you studied in your field of chemistry. Tell me some important step to participate in decreasing global warming.
Okay, carefully listen. In the month of January and February and July and August you can plant trees. As in this month of August we are preparing to celebrate our Independence Day 14th of August, and this is also season of planting trees. So you must planting trees with preparing of celebration of Independence Day.
Okay. I will be planting trees from today. I will buy trees from my pocket and then plant them.
No, Akram, although you can buy trees from your pocket but government of Pakistan provide free of cost trees to be planted to decrease effects of global warming in country.
Okay. Saeed, thank you for guiding me on this important issue. I will avail this offer and plant trees in my territory.
One more thing. Please aware people of your territory that did not cut the trees and did not burn forest.
Okay. I will. Thank you for guiding me.
No need of thanks, it's my duty. And this is duty of all citizen.